Welcome to Infinite Craft, a game where you combine things to get more things. What makes this game special is that it uses AI to create these combinations, which means you can create basically anything. Wait, no way I have this combo. What does a dysfunctional human get you? You might say you can craft an infinite amount of things. But I don't believe this. Yeah, that's right, Neil. I don't trust you. There has to be a limit to how many things you can craft in this game, and I'm here to find that limit. I'm gonna be using my 4 years of computer science and every ounce of brain power that I have to create a program that automates the game, which means this is no longer just a game. It's a competition between Neil and me. I'll prove to you, Neil, that this game isn't infinite and that you're a liar. And if I prove it in this video, you have to change the name to, wouldn't it just be Craft? Alright, step 1, figure out how this game works. It should be pretty straightforward. You mix this with that, and yep, there we go. Step 2, creating the program. So how should we create this? Well, it should be pretty simple. If we break it down, all we have to do is select one thing, select the other thing, put them together, and that's it, hopefully. So let's try and code that. Grab the list of items, or not. Grab the list of items, grab the first thing, oh my. Grab the list of items, grab the first thing, grab the second thing. What do I do now? Grab the list of items, grab the first thing, grab the second thing, click the first thing, and click the second thing, and nothing. Wow. Okay. So it seems our buddy Neil here is smarter than I thought, because I thought just clicking both the items would mix them together, but apparently not. I actually have to drag the items on top of each other and then it'll mix. That makes my life so much harder. Thanks, Neil, for making it harder to break your game. I appreciate that. All right, so I gotta learn how to do that because I have no idea how to drag the mouse with code, which is what I would say 4 years ago. Joke's on you, Neil. I'm gonna use AI to beat your AI game. What do you have to say about that, huh? Why am I doing this? I could be doing so much better things right now. Yup, just finished writing totally original code. Let me just click that. Yoink. All right, let's see if my code works. Let's paste this in and... what just happened? Why is water at the top? Okay, I found the problem with my original code. It seems it was just the target X and target Y variables. I changed it, so this time it should work. Or not. Alright, I just told AI to fix the code and make it better. It's a bit more complicated, but it looks like it has potential. So let's see if this works. Yes, it worked. Let's go. I'm coming for you, Neil. Better watch out. Okay, so the crafting part works now. All I have to do now is modify the code to actually try out every single combination. So you already know what's gonna happen.
Low taper fade. You know what's crazy is that low taper fade, like
the code that the AI came up with actually looks pretty good. So let's paste this in and let's see if this works. Yes! Oh, wait, why are they being dragged there? Well, at least it's grabbing every single item in the row, I think. Let me see if I can fix this. Okay, I think AI fixed the problem. Let's see if this works. Why is it so slow now? What is happening? Wait, why is it actually doing that? What is happening? There's not enough stimulus. My TikTok brain was not made for this. Oh wait, it's you. It's this delay. You traitor. Traitor. Okay, so I sent the delay to the Shadow Realm. Now it should work at a normal speed. Yes. This is what I wanted. Way better. Oh my god. Why is water still up there? What happened? Okay, so we have a problem here. Apparently, the more items you have, the more rows are created. The issue is, currently the code only checks the first row, so it's not grabbing every single item, which is bad. I'm gonna modify the code to change that, and hopefully it works. I made the changes. AI did not help this time because I want to prove to you all that I actually know how to code. So let's see if these changes work. Bro, there's no way. Apparently I can't code, so I asked AI to fix the code, and let's see if this finally works. Okay, this looks promising, better than what I had. I think it's actually working. Oh my god, I think it is. I can't believe it. Yes! Let's go! Suck it, Neil. Okay, I think this program actually works. Some of the items are getting dragged into random places, but let's not worry about that for now. Let's just enjoy this moment of code actually working. Well, kinda.
I can't code like the others. games. I think it's my skill issue. No.
Okay, so there's a problem that I did not think about. As you can see, my computer is surprisingly freezing, and that's because not every single item is combining, which means there's probably hundreds of items on the screen, and that's not good. So I have to modify the code to make it so every now and then we clear the screen to prevent my computer from dying. Yeah, so I'm gonna make those changes. Hopefully that works and makes this better before my computer blue screen. Alright, the code looks good. The only change is that every now and then we're gonna press this clear button right here to prevent my computer from slowing down. So let's see if this works. Wait, why is it not working now? Oh no, I think I fixed the problem. I did it myself without any AI, and of course it doesn't work. Woo! I'm starting to get the feeling I don't know how to code. Alright, you already know how this went. I asked AI to do the thing. Let's see if it did the thing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, I think I fixed it. Okay, I think I fixed it this time. I refuse to give up. I will beat this game. I have to show the world that Neil is lying to us, and that this game is not infinite. I know what I have to do. Yes, I feel it. The knowledge, it's coming inside me. Wait, no. Okay, enough games. I took some time and actually looked at the code, and I think I fixed the problem. No joke, no memes. This should work. I understand it now. The program is actually pretty simple. The code might look a little complicated to some of you, but it's really not. All it does is it drags the first item to a specific position, drags the second item to the same position, it's gonna mix together, and then we're gonna clear the screen so my computer doesn't break. And then it's just gonna repeat that for every single combination. Drag the first item, drag the second item, mix, and then clear. This should hopefully work. Let's test this out. Please work, please work, please work, please work, please work, please. Yes. Yes! Oh my god, it finally works. This took longer than I expected. It's such a stupid program, but it's so satisfying to see it working. This must have been how caveman felt when they discovered fire. I feel great. Now that the hard part is over, it's time to just wait and see if we ever hit a limit. And if we hit that limit, Neil, you're a liar. And this game should just be called Craft. And if we don't hit a limit, then nothing happens. And Neil is the coolest guy ever, and I'm sorry for doubting him. I just have trust issues. I'm gonna let this program run for the rest of the day, so I'll see you later, hopefully, if this program still works. I'm also pretty tired because it's 3 a.m. Hey, good morning. Well, it's kind of the same day, but check it out. The program didn't break that whole time. Sweet. We're at 1,480 items. We're looking good. Let's see what items we got. We got Tragedy, a Roomba. Hey, we got our glorious King LeBron. We have a bomb, classic, and we have SpongeBob SquarePants.
Hey man, it's Freak Bob. Thanks for answering. People usually don't answer, and it's taking a toll on me. That's why.
And now that I slept a bit and I have some brain cells working, I thought about it, and we're gonna leave this program running for a week. If I don't beat this game in a week, we'll call this day one, and I'll come back at the end of the day. See you later.
Mr. Sloth. Hi.
Hello, it's the end of day one, and we have 4,900 items. We are looking pretty good. I'm surprised the program has not broken yet. Let's see what new items we have. Let's see, we got Jabba the Jabba. We have Ratatouille, cool. Shaquille O'Neal, Shacktopus, Shaq Vader, Shacktopus Prime, Shaq Wars, Shaq Nami. We have the Death Note, Suckhole. Hold up. Okay, this game might be infinite, because what are these combinations? What is SpongeBob SquarePunk Thulu? What is that? I've seen enough of this. I'm gonna leave this program running for the rest of the day, so bye.
Skill issues. Skill.
Hi, day two. We have over 5,600 items, and the program is surprisingly still working. The bad news, our progress is very slow now. In 12 hours, we got over 1,000 items. That's not a lot, since before we got around 4,000 items in 12 hours. It's getting really slow. Yeah, so this was a pretty boring day. I'm gonna leave this running for a bit longer, and I'll come back if something happened. Error code, out of memory. I've never seen this error before. Let's just refresh the page and hope that doesn't happen again. Yeah, that sounds like the smart thing to do. I'll see you all at the end of the day, or if something else happens. Bye. Hi, Editor Sloth here. I completely forgot to record voiceovers for the rest of the days, and I completely forgot to record some days. But Neil, you're not a liar. You're a cool guy. I can confidently say I'm the idiot here. Oh my god, I can't believe this happened, bro. Oh god.